We'll guide you through how to share a location on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you wanted to go and share your location. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Perhaps you want to go and share it with friends, family, or others. We're going to guide you through how this can be done, and they can then go and see where you are. So to get started, what we need to do is on the iPhone is come into our settings like so. Now in the settings, you want to go and scroll down like this, and you want to go and find the option, privacy and security, and go and tap there. Then at the top, you want to come to location services. You need to come into share my location. And what you want to do is go and switch on share my location like so. Then what you can do is it may go and say something about using this device as your location. Mine already is set to that. You can come back here and come to Find My, and of course, make sure it has access like so. Now, what we need to do is we need to come and use the Find My app. Here it is. You want to go and tap on it to go and open it up, as you can see. Now, on the first page, it's going to be potentially on devices here, and you can see your devices. But in the bottom left, you want to go and select people, and you can go and see it says Find Your Friends and Family on a map. If people go and share their location with you, they'll appear in this list. But what we can do is go and press Start Sharing Location, or press the plus in the top right if there's already people in this list. Now you can go and choose who you want to go and do this with. Press the plus to the right to add more, or we can go and press the tick in the top right. And you can choose for how long, 1 hour until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Let's go and select indefinitely like so. And now it's going to go and say you started sharing a location, and they can go and see your location. If they go and choose to share it back, you can go and tap there and go and see where they are as well. But that's it, you're now sharing a location with them.